Welcome to this tutorial on tips for selling crypto on Coinbase. Selling cryptocurrency can seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance, it can be a straightforward process. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to sell your crypto on Coinbase and provide you with valuable tips to get the most out of your sale. First, you need to have a Coinbase account and a verified identity. If you have not already done so, sign up for an account and complete the verification process. Once your account is set up, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Sell button. Select the type of cryptocurrency you want to sell and the amount you want to sell. Next, choose your payment method. Coinbase offers a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, PayPal, and debit cards. The payment method you choose will affect the fees you pay and the speed at which you receive your funds. For example, selling crypto for a bank transfer will typically take a few days to process, while selling for PayPal or a debit card will provide instant access to your funds. Now, let's talk about fees. Coinbase charges a fee for selling crypto, which can range from 1.5 to 4% of the sale amount, depending on the payment method and your location. To minimize fees, consider using a bank transfer or selling your crypto in larger amounts. Another important consideration is the price at which you sell your crypto. Coinbase uses a dynamic pricing system, which means the price of your crypto can fluctuate rapidly. To get the best price, consider using a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price at which you want to sell your crypto. In addition to these tips, it's also important to consider the tax implications of selling your crypto. In many countries, selling crypto is considered a taxable event, and you may be required to pay capital gains tax on your profits. Be sure to consult with a tax professional to understand your tax obligations. Finally, always prioritize security when selling crypto on Coinbase. Make sure to use two-factor authentication and keep your account information up to date. Never share your account information with anyone, and be cautious of phishing scams. By following these tips and best practices, you can sell your crypto on Coinbase with confidence and get the most out of your sale. Remember to stay informed about market trends and price fluctuations, and always prioritize security and tax compliance. With this guide, you are now equipped to navigate the process of selling crypto on Coinbase and achieve your financial goals.